Sea Ltd, SE, Earnings Release Analysis. August 15, 2023 Pre-Market. Please like, share and comment on this video. Appreciate your support. Disclaimer. This video is only for technical education purpose. Results does not promote or recommend any investment or trading action. Sea Ltd is scheduled to report its Q2 2023 earnings on August 15 pre-market. Investors' sentiments is expected to be much less optimistic than Sea Ltd's pre-Q1 sentiments. This pessimism could be seen as worries about Sea Ltd profitability push. I think this is understandable. I think we might want to look at Sea Ltd's market leadership position in Southeast Asia, as we have seen TikTok and Lazada coming with much pressure. With Alibaba restructuring, Lazada could have much better resources to take back leadership from Shoppe, Sea Ltd e-commerce unit. With China economy still in slow recovery, Lazada having support from Alibaba does seem to be the right time to do. Something we might want to watch out is Indonesian government recently introduced legislation prohibiting sales of imported goods under $100 on e-commerce sites and social media platforms to protect local businesses. Not forgetting Indonesia have their own e-commerce titan, Goto e-commerce unit. This move might affect most of the foreign e-commerce companies. Question remains whether Shoppe market shares in Indonesia would be much reduced. In this video, I would be looking at the fundamental data and technical analysis to see how Sea Ltd have been doing since its last Q1 results. How it have been trading too. Sea Ltd, SE, earnings data. Based on the sentiment from investors and what happened in Q1 2023 results, I believe Sea Ltd might be having a less than expected EPS than estimate. This could be due to the reduced demand in Indonesia, Shoppe largest market, and also the competition from Alibaba's Lazada. Sea Ltd, SE, earnings history. I would expect the EP to reduce as what we saw in Q1, but the reduction might not be as great as Q1. This might not give investors much confidence on Sea Ltd efforts to a sustainable profitability. I would be looking for a much better guidance from its management. Sea Ltd, SE, insider transactions. One concern that might raise an alarm bells is corporate insiders who are driving the program for path to profitability. They are offloading shares worth $177.0 million in the last 3 months. This might give investors impression that are we expecting a much less optimistic outlook from their management, given that there are persistence of near-term macroeconomic headwinds in Southeast Asia. What I would look out for is whether Sea Ltd have been able to gain operating leverage, and this could continue till the end of 2023. If that is the case, then this could indicate a robust path towards sustainable profitability. Sea Ltd, SE, year-to-date earnings. Sea Ltd has returned more than 5% YTD, but its future growth remain a concern with a not-so-clear sustainable profitability path. I believe if Sea Ltd can improve their guidance and provide a more robust profitability path, we could be seeing a better than 10% growth in the long run. Sea Ltd, SE, sentiment analysis. Investors might be quietly accumulating ahead of Sea Ltd's Q2 earnings release in the last 30 days with an increase of 0.4% in portfolio holdings. But for the worries given by investors for profitability path, portfolios holding have decreased by 0.5%. Investors remains neutral. I personally would look out for the guidance given on how their cost cutting and path to profitability have been doing. Technical analysis, simple moving averages, SMA. Sea Ltd have just gone into a bear trend before its result released. It might be due to the headwinds faced in Southeast Asia, especially Indonesia. I believe unless their management comes up with a better guidance than expected, Sea Ltd might continue its bear trend for a while. Technical analysis, Relative Strength Index, RSI. We might be seeing some buying activities from high-conviction investors who believe that Sea Ltd might be able to crave a robust path towards sustainable profitability. I would look at other indicators to see how Sea Ltd share price have been trading prior to its upcoming earnings result. Technical analysis, Average Directional Index, ADX. ADX show that it is below 20 indicating a weak trend and D is above plus D which suggest a bearish downside movement. Sea Ltd might have the less than expected result priced into its share price. If that is the case, if the guidance and revenue growth turns up to be positive and well above expectation, we would see Sea Ltd returning to a bullish move. Technical analysis, Parabolic SAR. Sea Ltd just have a bearish reversal in early Aug before its earnings result release. This could signal that investors are concerned about how Sea Ltd management have planned to navigate the different challenges and headwinds facing them. I would think that Indonesia, a key market for Shopee, would be important for Sea Ltd if there is any regulatory change not favorable to Shopee. Summary. Based on what I have observed, the key point I would be looking out for its Sea Ltd revenue growth, its guidance for 2023 and how it planned to navigate the few headwinds facing them. I believe the confidence in investors need to come back before we can see if Sea Ltd has priced in these recent challenges to its stock price. I will not plan for any trade before its earnings. I would monitor and see how the market react on August 14, 2023. I believe it might be pretty quiet for Sea Ltd. Appreciate if you could share your thoughts in the comment section whether you think Sea Ltd is worth a buy now and wait for a potential surge later. Disclaimer. This video is only for technical education purpose. Results does not promote or recommend any investment or trading action. Please like, share and comment on this video. Appreciate your support.